right, hey everyone. I have unfortunately, fortunately, been spending a lot of time on TikTok. Particularly, my sister has sent me a user who posts so many vegan cooking ideas, and at first I was like, what? But she's just so funny. And then I found this recipe and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. We'll see how it turns out. But this recipe in particular is for bacon carrots. Stick with me. Okay, so it's bacon, but it's made out of carrots. We're just gonna try it and see how it goes, okay? Just see how it goes. All right, so first things first, we got some carrots. She took the carrots and she peeled them. So that's what we're gonna do, all right? All right, so we just gonna peel it. She said nice and thin. That's nice and thin. And apparently, this gonna turn into our bacon. All right, I think this is enough. So we have our teeny tiny strips of carrots, and now we're gonna make the seasoning that's gonna make it taste like bacon. Okay, so this is what we do, and you know, there's no measurements. You just kind of you gotta dash of this, bit of that, stick your foot in it, and that's how she did it. So that's what we're gonna do. So she did a little bit of liquid smoke. So we're gonna do the okay, yeah, we're gonna do a bit of that. Gotta get your garlic powder. Yeah. All right, smoked paprika. Sure. And you know, salt and pepper. Got some salt, got some pepper. And then want some maple syrup. I don't know. Put in some maple syrup. You know what? I don't know. Oh, okay. I think I'm gonna add more. You know, let's do it. Let's add some more. Let's add some more of everything. Salt, more garlic. You know, I love my garlic. I love garlic. It's a thing. All right, more paprika. All right. Chill. Now you're gonna mix it up. Mix that right on up. Yeah. Now we gonna add in our carrots. When I say I've spiraled down a hole, I've spiraled. I don't know if spiraled is a good word. I don't think I've necessarily spiraled. I miss my people, you know? Okay. All right, and now we're gonna let that sit for 2 minutes. Let it marinate. Okay, so now apparently all you do is cook it like you cook bacon. She put it in the air fryer. So that's what we gonna do. Got your air fryer? She said, put it on 380 and put it in there for 5 minutes. Let's see. All right. So we're gonna put it in here. Is this overcrowded? I don't know. We're gonna put it in the air fryer. Whoa. 5 minutes. Okay. We'll be back. All right, so while that's cooking, how y'all doing? You staying safe? Staying sane? I miss y'all. I miss all of you. My dog misses you too. Right, my love? You miss them too? Right, my love? Yeah. The library is not the same without, you know, the people who come to the library. We miss our patrons. We'll see you soon. Don't worry. Okay, also, this recipe came from Tabitha Brown on TikTok. She is really funny And if this turns out well, Tabitha, I thank you for such a good recipe. But we don't know yet. We still gotta try it. So, to be continued. Y'all, I don't know what happened. Hers look all nice and crispy, and mine just look sad and limp. And I mean, this one kind of crispy, even though it looks so sad. The real question is, does it bacon? Let's see. Okay, no, we're just gonna, come on, all right. I'm so confused. Why do I feel like I've had this before? I mean, I guess if you're really missing some bacon, it will suffice. You know what? We're gonna, it's good, but you know what? We're gonna take it to the next level, okay? You know what? People have BLTs, right? Bacon, lettuce, tomato. Let's nope. So I don't have lettuce. I don't have tomato. I have cheese. Get some tortillas. That's by March 22nd. We're fine. We're got our tortilla. Okay, so we're gonna add some bacon. Kind of limp, kind of sad. It's okay. Got some cheese. Okay. What else we got? Got some green onions. Love it, the green onions. This looks so sad, but we going with it. We committed. Okay, what else? Does ranch go on a BLT? It is today. Go, okay, that much. Okay, let's see. Okay, she cute, a little thin. It's okay. Let's give her a test. I mean, it's just the saddest quarantine meal I've ever had. Real talk though, it tastes good, it tastes alright, but in no way should this ever be considered bacon. I mean, it's a carrot. It's a carrot. It's not, bacon's bacon, you know? You love bacon. It tastes good, but it ain't bacon. Alright, well, I don't know what this was. We made carrot bacon. You guys, the more I eat it, the more I hate it. I think I just so desperately wanted it to be good. I had such high hopes. I don't know. You guys at home, try it. Tell me if you like it. If you do, great. But also, it's not bacon. I'm sorry. I don't know what I expected. Okay. When I go to the grocery store tomorrow, I'm gonna get me some real bacon.